Welcome back to AI Chip Tech. Let's dive right in. An electrifying deal was just inked. The awesome chip company Intel just landed a Pentagon contract worth up to a staggering $3.5 billion to manufacture semiconductors for the U.S. Defense Forces, known as the Secure Enclave. The United States government funding comes through the game-changing Biden-Harris administration's CHIPS Act to produce America's specialized semiconductor chips, essential for defense forces and national security systems. This groundbreaking development is set to supercharge domestic semiconductor manufacturing, already booming in America. We've already added 250,000 new jobs, with more on the horizon. We're now up to 13+ chip manufacturers across America, a massive leap from just a decade ago. If you're eager to learn more about the CHIPS Act and its monumental impact, check out the link below and at the end of this video. This deal marks a giant leap in bolstering America's defense capabilities, semiconductor independence, and continuing our phenomenal manufacturing expansions throughout the United States. It's more than just business. It's about national security at the cutting edge of technology. These tiny, revolutionary chips, called semiconductors, made by companies like Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm, power our top-tier defense systems, playing a pivotal role in technology and our national security. Their significance goes far beyond making our lives easier. Semiconductors from giants like Intel, Nvidia, and Broadcom are now indispensable for national security. We just can't imagine a world without these phenomenal, tiny golden marvels. Our robust defense systems, cybersecurity networks, and even power grids rely on high-tech chips. Recognizing the critical role that semiconductors from companies like TSMC, Micron, TI, Skyworks, onsemi, and Samsung play in national security is paramount. It's a cornerstone of national resilience, strength, global dominance, and stability. Modern militaries run on semiconductors, from APCs, aka tanks, fighter jets soaring in the sky, to submarines patrolling the depths. These chips are essential for navigation, communication, and weapon systems. Imagine a missile defense system without the processing power to track incoming threats, or a radar system unable to differentiate between friendly and enemy aircraft. Semiconductors are the backbone of modern warfare, providing the intelligence and precision needed to protect nations and save lives. They are the brains behind sophisticated targeting systems, ensuring accuracy and minimizing collateral damage. Without them, our defenses would be severely compromised, leaving us vulnerable in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is paramount. Our personal information, financial transactions, and national secrets are all stored and transmitted digitally. Protecting this data is crucial, and semiconductors from brands like Intel, AMD, and Nvidia play a vital role in this fight. These chips power the encryption algorithms that safeguard our information and the firewalls that keep hackers at bay. Technologies like Intel SGX, powered by semiconductors, offer hardware-level protection, making it significantly harder for attackers to access sensitive data. As cyber threats become even more sophisticated, the role of semiconductors from companies like Intel, AMD, and Nvidia in cybersecurity will only become more critical. Ensuring the integrity and security of these chips is paramount to maintaining our digital sovereignty and protecting our national interests in the cyber domain. Our critical infrastructure relies heavily on semiconductors. Power grids, transportation networks, telecommunication systems, and healthcare facilities all depend on these tiny chips for efficient and reliable operation. Imagine a power outage caused by a semiconductor shortage or a disruption in communication networks due to a supply chain. Semiconductors are the invisible backbone of modern society, ensuring the smooth functioning of the essential essential services we often take for granted. As we become increasingly reliant on digital technologies, protecting our critical infrastructure from disruptions requires a multifaceted approach. The recent Intel-DoD partnership serves as a powerful reminder of the strategic importance of domestic semiconductor production in maintaining national security and technological leadership. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao for now.